Alright, good morning guys. It's a beautiful Friday morning, February 20, 2026. And sorry hindi na tayo nakapag-vlog kagabi kasi sobrang pagod na namin. So dito tayo nagstay last night dito sa Nagoya, Hostel Blue Door. So ngayon, paalis na ulit ang tropa, papunta na ng Legoland, Nagoya, Japan. See you guys. Lamig, negative 2 degrees. Super lamig. Bye-bye. Hello, 0 degrees. Hello guys. Hi Gra. Kaya ba ang 0 degrees? Woo! Woo! Tingnan, tingnan. Tingnan. Woo! Woo! Umuusok guys. Punta tayo ng Legoland, Japan! Okay, 3, 2, 1, and go! Alright guys, so papasok na tayo dito sa Legoland. Gra, dito ka muna Gra. Alright, ito na ating entrance ticket. Ano yung nakita mo ate? Wow. Yeah. Good morning. Child.
How many people?
4.
Okay, thank you.
Child.
Okay, then.
That's one.
Okay.
Okay. 2. Okay.
2.
Adult. 3. Last one.
3.
This one.
Okay. Okay, wait a second, please. So this is today's event.
Okay.
If you scan here, you can find multiple language information.
Oh, okay. Where are we? We're here, right? Here.
Yeah.
Okay.
This is entrance.
Entrance. Okay.
Thanks so
Thank you so much. Have a great day. Thank you so much. Alright, nakapasok na ang Team Magtibay. Yeah. Go. Papunta tayo sa luggage. Lockers. Oops, no. Granny yan, ikaw ah. Oops. Yeah.
Kasha na dyan naman.
Alright, we'll check which one fits. Okay, thank you so much.
Isang malaki. Isang malaki. Oo, so ito. Dalawang malaki.
Alright, tinitingnan po nila kung anong kakasya sa locker. Ay, yung mga tubig, pakitanggal mga tubig.
Yan. Tubig. Yan. Reno.
Alright, ipapasok i-attempt nila kung magkakasya. Hopefully magkasya. Alright. Guys, giveaway may padating. Pa. Yes! Ang tago dyan. Galing. Magaling magsalansan ni ate. Oh, kasya pa, kasya pa. Yeah! Eto, kasya na siguro tong apat dito sa ano. Yes. So, locker 538. Uy, walang bayad? 1,000. Parang may unlock 1,000 siguro. Nalock ba? Wait. Doon ko kabila muna bago tayo magpaano.
Kasha na yun. Itong apat.
Kasya ni apat. Ate, pakitanggal mo muna yung bag mo.
Tanggalin mo.
Pakitanggal yung bag. Pa. Later. Hawak muna tong map natin. Yeah. Up, isa pa. Tumalita. Good job. Dalawang malaki. Nagkasya mga kaibigan. Ito pang backpack ko. Ay, nandito pala yung power bank. Kukunin ko lang yung power bank. Isa. Nasa maleta.
Anong lalagay mo dito?
Hindi. Okay na yan. Pakipasok mo yun.
Dalang pa.
Dali, iyon na. Mabigat yan. Pa-exchange siya. Another one. Okay. Go. Insert. Insert. Alright. Nice. And then. Okay. And then how much here? Sir. Can you assist? How? Can you assist?
All of this. All.
Oh yes,
Oh.
all of this.
Like this or...
How?
Okay.
This.
One. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There, it's locked. Sa inyo na yung... Ay, sino magtatago susi niyo?
Okay.
Okay. Lock.
Lock.
Alright, so kakatapos lang natin mag-check-in ng locker.
Wait lang, Gra.
And mag-iikot na tayo dito sa loob ng Lego. Ayun, si Bunso! Ay, nakapwesto na naman. Picture mo na kay ma'am. Ayun na kay mami. Picture. Si ate. Ate, ano yung hawak mo, ate? Uy, may mapa. Alright guys, so dito ang ating pupuntahang first ride, Brick Party. Pipila muna tayo. Entrance. Let's go. Entrance. Dito na, dito. What? Yeah. Yung ang daming malilito. Alright, pasakay tayo. What do you want? Whoa. Be careful, be careful. Be careful. Alright. Hawak ha, hawak. Hawak. Dito pa. Dito, dito. Ayaw mo sumakay. Dito. Sakay na, mataas. No. Minsan lang yan. Sakay na. Ayan ang pula. Yeah.
決まりましたらシートベルトの着用お願いします。大人の方もお子様もシートベルトの
One,
着用
two,
必要です。
three.
お釣り替えの方ですね、お子様の左側に立ってしっかり
シートベルト
あげてください。
Gra, seatbelt. Sige na, seatbelt. Seatbelt. Ate, seatbelt. Like that? Oh. Hindi ka marunong. Hindi, okay lang pag matanda, hindi na. Pag matanda, hindi na. Yeah. Alright, ready na ba? Ate, ready? Ma, ready? Lori B, ready? Hazel, ready? Alright. Oh, oh. Pwede din. Alright. Mag-start na. Ate, mag-start na.
お付き添いの方は必ず最後までお子様の左隣でぎゅっと支えてあげてください。それではアメリカパーティー出発です。
Yan na, yan na, yan na.
いってらっしゃい。
Yan na, yan na, yan na, yan na, yan na. Ayos ba tayo dyan? Yay! Picture ba? Ay, pipicture ko ka. No! Yan, umakit ka na. Yan na! Okay, sige dito. 3, 2, 1, smile!
恐れ入ります。スマートフォンでの撮影ですね。どうぞ。を短くしてお楽しみください。
Fun ba yan, Grandma? Say, wee! Whoa! Hilo na ako. Alright, ito ang ating next ride, Observation Tower. Super high. Excited ka ba dyan?
Yes!
Lahat! Di ba sumakay tayo doon sa Malaysia? Pataas?
Pero dahan-dahan lang yan.
Di ba parang siyang elevator lang? Di mo naalala? Yung umikot lang? Eto, yun o. Di ba? Hindi siya roller coaster, akit lang, para lang elevator yan. Iikot lang. Tapos ibabato ka pa gano'n.
Yung gusto mo pumunta ng mga amusement.
Let's go, let's go, let's go.
Oo nga pa.
Gra! Hawak ka sa akin. Yes. Yeah? Yes. Hello. 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 Alright, naghanap tayo ng mauupuan natin. Okay, me first, me first. Wait. Here. Alright. Yes.
Diba, Dad?
Yes.
Diba? Slow ride. Diba, Dad?
Yes. Okay ka ba kayo dyan, guys? Te, ano ba yan? Busy ah. Oh.
Para
Asan?
sa mga fans.
Yes. Alright, we're going up, guys. Makikita natin overlooking ng Legoland Japan. Here we go.
That's so scary right
Konti lang. Look. Konti lang. Yun, yung paakyat to, di ba? Yeah, may 3D ulit dyan, Ninjago. Whoa! It's okay. Wala, bawal daw tumayo.
Dad, sakay tayo dyan.
Yes.
さあ皆さんご覧ください。まもなく頂上へと参ります。レゴランドジャパンの遠いところからの景色をお楽しみください。
Ayun yung hotel, oh. Legoland Hotel.
Excited.
Wow, look! Ang tall ng bridge, ang haba. Ah, yeah.
Tapos doon, sakay tayo doon dati.
Yeah.
Mama, playground pa. Mama, playground pa.
Okay guys, selfie. Guys, 3, 2, 1. Yeah. Abay, ang sakit. Mamaya, ang sakit sa mata. Ayun na. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Alright. Hindi maganda yung view. Kita na Legoland. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Ay! 3, 2, 1. Alright. Ayun na, we're going down. Anong next stop natin? Sa Ninjago 3D. Alright. Going down. See you at the 3D. Alright, try naman natin guys ang Lego Factory Tour. Here. Factory Tour guys. Bawal camera. Right. Oh, not here? Oh, stop. Okay. Alright, thank you. Alright, let's wait. 1978. Lego is born. Oh God, it's 1978. It's, ano na. Legoland Florida opens. 2011. So 15 years nga sila this year. Gana. 2016, Legoland Dubai. 2017, Legoland Japan opens. Oh, Malaysia, 2012. Ito, Dutchland, oh. Saan to? Germany. Next stop, Germany. Okay, wait lang. Alright, let's go. Yes, tour, Legoland tour. Ate, pahawak sigla para mabidyo ako yan. Alright. Oh, cover.
真ん中の椅子、お子様用の席になっております。引き取りです。前の方の席に熱くなっておりますので、どうぞご利用ください。
Look, we're going to the factory. Whoa. Kapit. Kapit. 1, 2, 3. Whoa. Yes. Wow! Wow! Ganyan pala siya, oh. Picture kayo, Gra. Picture kayo ni ate. Alright, so ang ating next ride, dito tayo sa Hila Pataas. Let's go. Saan ba ang entrance? Dito, entrance. Bra, let's go. Dito, entrance. Oh, walang pila, guys. Walang pila. Let's go. Yes. Walang pila.
お待たせしました。それでは出発です。前にある黒いロープをしっかり掴んでください。ロープを引っ張って頂上を目指そう。いってらっしゃい。
Guys, let's go.
方をしっかりと持ちます。下へまっすぐ引っ張ることで上がって
Go, 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 Gra, go. Run, 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 run.
頂上まで着いたらロープから手を離すことでゆっくり降りることができます。時間内何度でもチャレンジしてみてください。
2,
Me to check, okay? Sorry. Me
go, go. Alright, thank you so much. C, alright. Go, letter C. Letter C, dito. C, here. C. Go, go. Alright. Oh, this one.
Yeah, yeah.
Ano? No, okay, okay. Alright, ngayon papunta naman tayo dito sa Go Full Ninja. Let's go inside. Gra, saan ka pupunta, Gra? After dito, swimming cup tayo. Ay, yung passport, di na natin nadala. Ninja Go. Yeah. Whoa, Go Full Ninja. Hello. Whoa. Wait. Ay, ganito na yung nasa sa bahay. Guy, picture ka. Picture ka muna kaya ate. Yeah. Later, dun sa outside. Review tayo outside. Everyone. Everyone, okay. Tingnan natin, guys. Oh, yung mga naka-display. Wow. Whoa. Ah, you want to play here? Yeah, go. You can play. Build. We can build. Thank you so much. Thank you. Oh, go build. Whoa. Alright, let's start building your Lego. We have 30 minutes. What do you want to build? House. Okay. Ninja house. Let's build a ninja house. Go. Sino much better? Go. Who's better? Alright. Oh, you win! Afir! Good job! Alright, so papunta tayo sa spinning cup. Yung mga kids muna, ayoko sumamat. Sasakit ulo ko dyan, may hilo ko dyan. So, go guys! Go, run! Run! Go! Yeah. Go, try you. Ikaw, ikot-ikot. Go! Go lang pila, bilis! Sige, bisa lang yan. Dito yung gamit mo, dito. Fun, di ba? Graph, fun? Fun ba yun? Fun? Fun? Ano? Sumakit ulo? Sarap? Oh my goodness! More pa, more! Alright guys, let's go, move! Grab, move! Move! Yes! Fun! Submarine guys! Three. Hello?
Hello.
Ah.
Dito na kami sa submarine.
Ay, ano na? Andito na kami. Wait. Oh, wait. Wait. Go. Let's go. Go, wait. Go. Ay, sino naman hintay natin? Just wait. Go. Go. Wait. Go. Ma, go. Sien. Bakit daw? Go. Wala. Yeah. 3. Okay, thank you so much. Si ate nagpaiwan? Okay. Go. Submarine guys! Sasakay tayo ng submarine! Go! Pa. Submarine! Up, just wait. Next train na tayo. Next train tayo. This one. Okay. Thank you. Go. Sigra. Ma, sigra. Alright, going down, guys. Alright. Go. Grab, move. Uy, totoo ba to? Digital. Totoo? Kita mo po? Mukhang totoo nga, no? Yeah. Seated lang daw. Whoa!
Ito yung nakita natin.
Yes.
Thank you.
Whoa, grab!
Of the fish.
What? Puffer fish ba yan?
周辺の海でよく見られる魚の種類が載っているわ。だけど、ここはまだ
Look!
Baba siya.
Yes, oy, look!
だからどんなお
Lego
魚が現れるのかわからないわ。
今から楽しみだな。
お魚を見つけて種類がわからなかったら図鑑を見て確認してね。サンゴ礁を通り抜けるときに巾着鯛の仲間やアイゴの仲間、それに真っ赤な赤松笠も探してみてちょうだい。ここにはいくつかの天狗ハギの仲間がいるわ。彼らは文字通り天狗の鼻のようにおでこの角が突き出しているの。ここで
Whoa!
喧嘩をするわけではなくて、尾びれの付け根にある鋭い突起で攻撃するのよ。
コンピューター、現在時。スクイッド研究員の諸君、私たちはこれを見に来たんだよ。ロストシティへようこそ。
みんなセンサーに反応あり、魚の群れが遺跡の周りにいるようだわ。
コンピューター、カメラを起動してくれ。外部カメラから写真を撮ってデータベースに登録しよう。
美しい生き物よ。いろいろな色にみんなも自分のカメラを持っていたら写真を撮ってみんなの指の中に
Whoa! Look, pyramid! Look, may shark! Huwag ka dito, matatakpan yung view. Stand up ka lang dyan. Hindi ka pwede dito. Stand up ka lang, Bunso.
けどね、このサメはとてもフレンドリーだから心配いらないわ。
さあ、これから宝の洞窟に入るぞ。ここの魚たちもとってもカラフルなんだ。
本当ね、キャプテン。真っ青のお魚はナンヨウハギという名前よ。ここを住みかにしているわ。自然界では海藻を食べているけれど、水族館で飼育されているときはレタスや豆を食べるのよ。
Alright, let's go.
はい、どんどん持ってきてください。アトラクション止まりません。どうぞ。
Let's go.
はい、どんどん持ってください。どうぞ。
Let's go. Oh, wait, wait, wait. Go, go, go.
いらっしゃい。
Let's go, guys. Go, go. Go.
いらっしゃい。ありがとうございます。
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Thanks so much. Alright, go. Alright, nag-enjoy ba? Alright, so magkiklaim tayo ng puzzle, ng medal. Dahil may nasolve si ating puzzle. Let's try it. Go, explain. Go, go, go. Hurry. Go, go. What?
Let me answer. Okay.
What's that?
Okay, very good. Thank you.
Alright. Oh, good job. Thank you so much. Thank you. No, show it, show it, show. Oh, wait. Okay, what's inside? Let's see. Let's take a look. What's inside? Wow! Golden one! Show it! Show it! Show! Show! 3, 2, 1. Show mo, hindi kita. One hand lang, one hand.
Baliktad.
Pakita mo. One hand lang, 3, 2, 1. Good job. Let's go, guys. Yes! Run! Go, run! Alright, papasok tayo dito sa mini RT, ano ba to? Mini architecture, tour ba? Miniland! Miniland! Papasok tayo sa Miniland, guys! Yes. Whoa! Legoland Japan
2026.
2026. Yes. Ah, ship. Small ship. Yes. Galing. Small ship. Oh. Dito tayo, pirate. Ninjago. Ninjago muna tayo, Ninjago. Here. Here, Ninjago. Pupunta tayo dito.
That's scary na yan.
No, hindi.
Roller coaster yan.
Ano naman yan, Oh, galing! Oh, Mario. Oh. Diyan. Oh, go, go, go. Paano yan? Sige nga. Paano yan, ate? Oh. 2. There, go. Sapa si ate. Go, go, go. Okay. Go, go. Try mo at start. Okay, 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, paano? Start. Paano? Hirap yan. Ay, hindi ako marunong. Oh. Oops. Hop. Mahirap. Let's go, let's go. Let's go, guys.
Ayun, sa dulo pa.
3, 2, 1, jump. Mahirap. 3, 2, 1, jump. Oops. Let's go. Alright, ang next, Merlin's Flying Machine. Go, go, go! B! Alright, 5 up, 4, 5.
5 kayo?
Yeah. Up.
Camera.
Oh, okay. Ayun na. Ayun na, guys! This is it! This is it! Oh! Roll! Woo! Ayun na! Yay! Yee!
Sabay isin.
Alright, so we're at the final stop for our today's Legoland. Dito na tayo sa The Big Shop. Ang tropa, magche-check out na pagtapos. Kukunin na ang locker. Magsusouvenir shopping lang muna. Let's go! Okay guys, you have 10 minutes to shop. 10 minutes. Let's go, come here. Diba? Mas maraming choices dito. Amin naman. Gra, ang ganda nito, sword. Dito, pang laban sa mga kaaway mo, Gra, oh. Oh, ang ganda niyan. How much? Uy, 1,000 lang, oh. No, it's 4,500. No? Rat. Hanap pa tayo iba. Ikot muna, hanap na iba. Go, hanap. Yung tag ano lang, 2,000 and below. Oh, ang ganda niyan. Yan, 2,000. Pwede yan. Huwag yan, 4,000. Mahal yan. Ito lang, ito may axe. Gusto mo yan, may axe? Axe? Hindi pa sa'yo pwede Lego. Ganda to pwede sa'yo. Kasi hindi pa naman mabibuild ang Lego eh. Yan, 2,2. Pwede yan. You want that? May see? Whoa! Do you like this? You want? Red? Oh, balik mo isa. Oh, pili ka na isa ate. Tigi-isa kayo, go. What? Oh, let's go. Oh, one lang. Oh, let's go. Ano yan? Are you sure? How much?
2,200.
Okay, are you sure? Ayaw mo na mag-build ng Lego? Just one. Hindi pwedeng dalawa. Pili lang ng isa. Madami tayo expenses. Basket? Hindi na, hawak lang. Tig-isa lang kayo. Kala nyo marami tayong bibilin. Tig-isa lang. 2,000 and below, guys. Budget. Pretend. Alright guys, show your souvenir. Show. Oh, that's time to pay. Babayad tayo. Magbabayad tayo, guys. Oh! Oh! Matigas, yes. Hard. No! Wag sa floor, masisira. Wag mong ihihit ha. Tingin ko nga, wait. Okay. Just wait. Go. Oh, here. Hello, good afternoon. Tutu. 1-3, okay. Fine. Do you have like Legoland passport? No? The passport where you can put a tag? Hindi nga eh. Yeah, but do you have that passport? The book? No. Oh, not. No. We forgot one at home, so no more, no passport. Not today. Oh, wrong time. Okay. Okay, it's okay. Thank you so much. I'll pay via credit card.
Would you like to stamp on your memo? I mean this one.
No, our passport, Legoland passport, we left at home. Yeah, I'm so sorry. Yeah. Okay. I'll go next time. Thank you so much. I'll pay.
Excuse me.
Oh, sorry.
Thank you.
Okay, approved. Thank you so much.
有年票吗？
Okay, thank you so much.
帮你装袋子好吗？
Go, look.
装好吗？
Thank you so much. Thank you. Okay, go. Here, I'll take a photo first. Hold this one. Yes. Okay, you. Show your Tigisa kayo, go. Amin na yung hawak mong tubig. Kunin niyo yung show. Show it. Sabay na kayo, ha? Wait. Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1. Hindi kita pataas. Yan. Yeah. Sea Life and then Locker. Okay, thank you so much. Alright, papunta na tayo ng Sea Life entrance. Ang team magtibay. Whoa! Ate, can you hold this? You have a sword. Whoa! Oh, joke mo. Papasok tayo ng Sea Life entrance. Ace in Ashley, yes. Guys, ready your QR code, yung barcode? Paki-ready yung barcode. Alright, papasok tayo ng entrance. Barcode? Look.
Okay.
Oh, wait. Okay. Here. Okay. 3, 4, 5. You need to zoom in? 6. Alright, thank you so much. Okay, thank you so much. Let's go, guys. Move. Okay. Oh. Sword. May sword mo. Alright. Naku, mapipicture na naman tayo dito. Mapapaswipe na. Yes. Ay. Maraming pambakante dito. Sakit pa ulo mo? Pag di kaya may ako dito. Silicop sila. Alright. Wow, daming fish. Oh. We're going up to the second floor. Medyo maliit lang siya, guys. Maliit lang po ang sea life. Japan, very, very small. Oops! Be careful, Gra. Whoa! Here. Whoa! Smallest creature. Dilis? Ba't may dilis dyan? Wow. No. Uy! Cherry blossom! Cherry blossom! What's that? What's that? Whoa! Go! You know what? Guys, wash your head. Wait. Remove. Wash your hand. Ate, come here. Go, wash your hand. Bilis. Wash your hand. Touch niya. Bilis. Go, wash your hand. Put it there. Go, go. Go, grab, go. Go. Ate, go. 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 Here. Grab here. Go. Go. Come. Here, here. Ay, ipagtaas mo may... Ay. Ate, yeah, good job. Good job. Taas mo ga. Itaas mo. Ga. Gayahin mo yung kay ate. Like this, oh. Like this. Go, 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 go. 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 Touch. Careful, ah. Careful. Isa pa. Go.
Ito na lang gamitin.
Yeah, ito. Use your right hand. Go. 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 Good job. Go, go, go. Next. Touch with one finger. Guys, touch with one finger. One finger. Oh, okay. Touch with one finger. Touch with one finger. Totoo pala yun. Kala ko yung starfish. Go. Touch with one finger. Go. Touch. One finger. One finger. Gusto nyo mag-touch? Maghuhugasan ng kamay. Alright, they're done touching. Go, move. Tubig. Ay, naiwan yung mga tubig. Ang ating expert. Ano ba tawag dyan? Uy, may ano. Ano ba tawag dyan sa ano? Pwede bang ano yan? Ipahuli? Pwede bang karnihin yan? Labugan, ano ba yan? Sapsap, hindi daw sapsap. Mga nut. I don't know. Let's go. Go under. Whoa! Whoa! May I see you? Whoa! Ga. Whoa! Jellyfish. Ga, come here. Ga, come here. Ga, come here. Ga, come here. Come here. Come here first. Come here first. Amoy. Amoy ano? Ay, doon sa kabila. May ano, live. Kaya pa sa parang amoy, ano, may dagat. Ah, may snake. Look. Snake. Totoo ba yan? Razorfish. Wow. Razorfish. A garden eel. It's a garden eel. Ayun, oh. Garden eels. Look. Garden eels. Yan, anong isla yan? Te? Anong isda? Sulahan. Yan, masarap daw ihawin. Ayun, sarap ihawin yan. Ate, ikaw, pasok din, go! Go! Wow! Paano nangyari yun? Blah, 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 blah. Wow! Wow! Galing ah, how'd you do that? Alright, come on guys, let's go. 3, 2, 1. Oh, look at the floor! Oh my goodness! Oh no! Oh! Look at the floor! Are you scared? Oh, scary. Bakit ka sa gilid ka? Takot yarn? Up. Up. Si ate. Wow, ate, go. Go. Whoa. Whoa. Game. Picture tayo. Shark! Go! Go! Lagay mo dito yung toy mo. Baka mawala. Lagay mo dito. Go, color. Nasa, may nakaiwan? Yun lang. Someone left phone. There. May nakaiwan ng cellphone. Pinurender ko doon. Gra, let's go. Ha? Oh, ang ganda. Ikaw yan? Ang galing ha.
Ang ganda nga ng quality.
Alright, so tapos na ang ating adventure today. Galing na tayo ng Legoland and Sea Life. Kinukuha na po ang ating mga luggages. Time to retrieve our luggages. Alright, thank you guys. After nito, pabalik na tayo ng Nagoya Station and we'll be going to Tokyo. Let's go, Team Magtibay! Alright, bago tayo umuwi, CR lang tayo very quick. Tingnan lang natin kung ano itsura ng CR dito sa Legoland. Pero syempre, ingat, baka tayo masita. So-turn off natin din. Look. Take a look at this. Gra! Gra! Come here, Gra! Come here, go, 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 go! Go! Faster! Go! Alright, ganito po ang CR. Hi guys! So this is the CR. Alright, time to stop the video. Alright, go! Huh! 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 Good job! Ano yan? Ah, baliktad? That's okay. Kanina hindi yung ginamit niya. Alright. Go, go, go. Be careful. Oops, oops. You're okay, you're okay. You're okay. Be careful. Be careful. Be careful. Go. Go. Go, Grab. Go, Grab. Go, Grab, go. Go. Ready. 3, 2, 1. Go. Whee! Good job. Alright. Testing ni ate. Ate, 400 yan. Whoa, what's inside? Ayun. Okay, let's open mamaya sa bahay. Let's go. It's Grael's turn. Help mo siya, ate. Help. Tama yan, tama. 1, 2, another 1, 3, and then ikot mo. Ikot the knob. Go, go, turn, go, go, turn, go, 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 get. Oh, what's that? Stand up, Macy. Oh, show kay daddy. Show. Ate, hiya mo lang siya. Come here, show kay daddy. Picture, 3, 2, 1. Okay, good job. Sa bahay na yan. Alright, so kakatapos lang nating manggaling ng Legoland. Andito tayo for our lunch and dinner in one. Kumakain na kami dito. Ito ang para sa akin. Ano yun sa'yo, Tito Panini? Wow. Sa'yo, Gra, marunong ako mag-chopsticks? No? Alright. See you later, guys. Alright, guys. So, kakabili lang natin ng ticket dito sa Shinkansen. Medyo mahal siya. So, dito, papunta na tayo dito from Nagoya. Isang Shinkansen which is like a bullet train. Papuntang Tokyo in about 2 hours. So, it's 6:30. Hopefully around 8:30 nasa Tokyo na tayo. See you later, guys. Let's go! Alright guys, papunta tayo ng 5. Dito tayo sa loob, guys. Mamayuwa tayo. Joke. Nandito tayo sa Shinkansen, papuntang Tokyo. Unreserved seat. Alright, so basta ano sabi? 7. Alright guys, moving na po tayo. Ay. Lapit na tayo Tokyo. Lapit na. Inip ka na. Look, fast. Look outside. Look outside. Really? Huh? Alright, kakarating lang natin dito sa Nishikawaguchi Station. And I think nakikita na namin yung Toyoko Inn Hotel. So, let's go. Yeah, ako malapit lang. Tama, doon nga direksyon. Yung nakikita nyo, doon nga. Gra, malapit lang, para mabilis. Gra, baba na ikaw. Baba.
Ate, ako na yung sa ate.
Okay. Kapit ka. Gra, huwag ka na sumabit. Gra, kumapit ka. Huwag ka lang bibitin. Okay guys. Go. Sige, sa kanan. Alright, papunta tayo sa hotel guys. Gra. Tapos turn right. Turn right. Ayun na, 100 meters. Ayun na nga. Ayun na, nakikita na natin. Ayun na. Tama yung naispatan mo, ang galing mo ah. Ano, may napusuan ba kayo? May nagustuhan ba kayong kakainan? O 7-Eleven na lang, ano ba? Guys, nakikita na namin yung hotel. Ayun! Toyoko Inn. Ayan na yung hotel. Tama na. Up. Yep. Yeah. Toyoko Inn. Here we go. Okay, coast is clear. Okay, papasok na tayo, guys. Good evening. All right. Alright guys, natapos naman ang ating adventure. See you on our day 4. Bye!